सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 197, verse 190. अन्योन्याध्यासमत्रापि जीवकूटस्थयोरिव ईश्वरब्रह्मणो सिद्धम् कृत्वा ब्रूते सुरेश्वरः. In this topic of Ishvara, Vidyaranya doing an elaborate explanation. This Ishvara, who is the Jagat Karanam, this Karanam is Vivarta Karanam. When we talk about the Ishvara as the cause of this universe is not that which has come really. It is not newly Arambham. Arambhavada we have negated. That is Asat Karyavada. Karyam was Asat in Karanam. It has newly come Arambham. That is why it is called Arambhavada. And Sankhya philosopher says it is Satkaryavada. Karyam was there in the Karanam in potential form. That Karyam alone has come into manifestation. That Karyam alone is born, Jativada. So, both of them are talking about creation, real creation. For that we say, na nirodho na cha utpattihi. There is no real Arambham. Either Satkaryavada or Asatkaryavada. We don't accept, that is only Ajativada we establish. Ajativada means no new creation has come. It can never come. It will not come. Because it is against to the law. That law is matter cannot be newly created. Therefore, no one can create anything newly. That we have done in 186. Arambha Parinamadi. Sankhya Vadi is Parinamavadi. He is Nayayika is an Arambhavadi. Sankhyavadi is a Parinamavadi. There is no Arambham, there is no Parinamam. Really speaking, it is only an appearance. Namarupa were in invisible form, unmanifest form, avyakta form. Namarupa will become to manifest form. Unmanifest Namarupa is Pralaya. Manifest Namarupa is Srishti. That's all. So, Jagat is always there, either in visible Namarupa form or invisible Namarupa form. Jagat is always there. Then why this word Pralaya Srishti? You have to understand the word Srishti is nothing but Vyaktavastha alone is called Srishti. Vyakta Sushuptavastha only is called Srishti. There is no new Srishti. Having said this much, then we have established ours is an Vivartavada. Without undergoing any change, even Parinama is not there, Arambha is not there. Therefore, Vivartam, Ajatim. Without any birth, Brahman appears as the universe. Then Purvapakshi comes with another question. Sureshwaracharya says, Brahman is the cause of this universe. In his Vartikam that he has pointed out in 188, Parabrahman is the Karanam, Sureshwaracharya said. 188 and 189. Brihadaranyaka Vartike Sureshwarena Ukta. This Sureshwaracharya said, Paramatma, the Param, Paraha Karanatam Yeti. So, Maya is the Karanam for Ajada Amsha in the creation. Tamasamsha, Maya, is the cause for Bhogya Prapancha, Achetana Prapancha. In this world there is Chetanam and Achetanam, both are there. Klippi Chetanam or Achetanam? Achetanam. All objects which we are seeing, they are all insentient. So Achetana Vastus are there in the Prapancham. Who is knowing that Achetana Vastus? Chetana beings are knowing. So the Chetana Purusha knows the Achetana Vastu. Then he raises the question in 187. He asked the question, one Chetanam Brahma, how is the cause for, even though Vivarta Karanam also, Chetana Jagat and Achetana Jagat, how both can come? How both can come from one Chetana Brahman, Achetana Jagat also coming? Chetana Jagat, Chetana Jivas are also coming. How? He asked this question. Then for that what we said? From Chetanam Brahman, Chetana Jivas appear. From Achetana Maya, Achetana Jada Prapancha appears. Bhogya Prapancha is from Maya. Chetana Prapancha is from Brahman. Chetanam Brahma. Maya, Jada Maya is always with Brahman. Brahman is always with Maya. Maya is always with Brahman. And when I say Maya and Brahman together, you have to remember all the time, Maya is of lower order of reality, Mithya, Vyavaharika Satyam. Brahman is Paramarthika Satyam. Together. They are together. Just as you, the waker, Vyavaharika Satyam, with Pratibhasika Satya Swapna Purusha, together or not? You, the waker, and the Pratibhasika Swapna, dreamer, together or not? Together. How? Dreamer cannot exist without waker. Two orders of reality coexist or not? They exist. I, the waker only, I am dreamer. Similarly, Maya is Vyavaharika Satyam, exists with Paramarthikam Brahma. Clear? So, Maya, that which exists along with Brahman, Paramarthika Satyam, that Maya creates means appears as Nama Rupa Prapancha, Jada Prapancha. Achetana Prapancha. Achetana Prapancha means Achetana Vastus or Bhogya Prapancha. Brahman Chetana Amsha only cause for Chetana Jivas. So up to here we have understood in the last class. Then For that he asked, but your Sureshwaracharya means you are all belong to one party. Oh Vidyaranya, your Sureshwaracharya, your Paramaguru, belongs to the same Advaita Siddhanta Parampara. Use the word in his Vartikam of Brihadaranyaka. Paraha is the Jagat Karanam. OC, original consciousness, is the Jagat Karanam. Param Brahma is the Jagat Karanam. But you are telling that Maya Sahitam Brahma, Ishvara is Jagat Karanam. That means Samashti Arsi. Ishvara means what? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Maya Sahitam Brahma means total RC, macro RC. Macro RC is Ishvara. Macro OC is Brahman. Chit Chaturvidya, when we were discussing in few slokas previously, that Brahman pure consciousness OC, Maya Sahitam Brahma is Ishvara RC, total level. Sureshwaracharya is talking, this OC is the Jagat Karanam. In his Vartikam he said, you are telling RC is the Jagat Karanam. Now tell me, RC is the Jagat Karanam. RC means what? Total RC? Ishvara. Ishvara is Jagat Karanam or OC Brahman is Jagat Karanam. Between both of you, just like this Vishwa Hindu Parishad doing Garvapasi, no? Garvapas. RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Vishwa Hindu Parishad only doing Garvapasi. Narendra Modi, BJP government has come, an offshoot of this RSS, and he is telling no conversion, he is telling. One side they are doing Garvapasi. People are asking, what is this? You people are having different of opinions. So there is a big debate is going on everywhere. We are not doing conversions, these people are telling Vishwa Hindu Parishad. We are bringing them only Garvapas. No? Garvapas. Sringeri Acharya says that only. Why you are telling they are converting into Hinduism? It is not conversion, coming back, homecoming. Coming back to their own home, it is. That's why in Hindi, coming back to their own religion is called Ghar Vapas. That's what we are doing in Vishwa Hindu Parishad is shouting. And all other religious people, they are asking opposition parties and all, how can you do that? Now Narendra Modi is in puzzle, what to do. Adhe madri, your own Vishwa Hindu Parishad people, your own RSS people doing like this. You are talking no conversion, nothing is possible. That's why people are confused. What is Garvapas? What is conversion? What is freedom of religion? Nobody is able to understand properly. Like that here also, your own Vidyaranya, your own Sureshwaracharya, you the Vidyaranya talking some differently. Ishvara is Jagat Karanam, you say. Paraha, OC is Jagat Karanam, he says. Now tell me, OC is Jagat Karanam or RC is Jagat Karanam? Then Vidyaranya says, what I say alone is right. You don't say Sureshwaracharya is wrong. Without saying Sureshwaracharya is wrong, Vidyaranya says RC, that is macro level reflected consciousness, that is Ishvara, alone is Jagat Karanam. How he justifies that? OC and RC, they are treated as one and the same. Sometimes they use OC Jagat Karanam. Sometimes they use RC Jagat Karanam. Even OC Jagat Karanam, suppose Sureshwaracharya says, you have to interpret Maya Sahitam, Maya, Brahman obtaining in the Maya medium as reflected consciousness is the cause of this universe. Appaditha purinjukonam. Suppose Sureshwaracharya says OC is the Jagat Karanam, where it is said 188 Paraha, that is OC. If Sureshwaracharya used that OC as Jagat Karanam also, you have to treat it as what? Brahman, the OC, obtaining in Maya, formed as reflected consciousness, Ishvara, then cause for this universe. Appadida purinjakanam. You should not question why Sureshwaracharya said like that. Sureshwaracharya said, அவங்களெல்லாம் பெரியவர் கேட்கக்கூடாது, இப்படிதான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். With keeping this idea, Sureshwaracharya said, you have to interpret properly. That's what he says here in 190. Anyonya madhyasam atra api jiva kutasthayoreva. Just as people mix up what? Jiva kutastha. Jiva kutastha, you remember? Chit chatur vidya, ghatakasha, jalakasha. Ghatakasha, jalakasha, kutastha and jiva. Kutastha is OC at micro level. Jiva is RC at micro level. Both are at micro level. But when we talk, I am, we take Kutastha or Jiva. Jiva only we take. But we never refer to Kutastha. So superimposition is happening here. Who is listening in a class? Who is listening? I am listening. Who am I? Lower I you are taking. This whole subject you cannot find in anywhere in any Prakarana Grandhas. It is a very, very clear-cut presentation of difference between Vachyartha and Lakshyartha. Vidyaranya want to show what is the difference between Vachyartha and Lakshyartha. You should have a facility to jump to, is it from Vachyartha Drishtya or Lakshyartha Drishtya? You have to understand. So, Acharyas use very loosely, sometimes Vachyartha Drishtya, sometimes Lakshyartha Drishtya. You have to understand properly. Anyonya adhyasa means what? Mutual superimposition. Jiva kutasthayoreva. Just as people generally consider themselves, I am, when I say I am, Jiva and Kutastha mixture. Jiva means RC, Kutastha means OC. Jiva means lower I, Ahankara, reflected consciousness in the mind. Kutastha is all pervading in the body-mind complex, that Atma Chaitanya. இந்த ரெண்டுமே இருந்தாதானே நானும் இல்லையா? OC, without OC this RC can be formed. Are you following? கொஞ்சம் ட்ரையா இருக்கும், but very important. The consciousness reflecting in the body mind complex. Yesterday's class, do you remember? Mirror, I gave one example in the last class. Mirror, reflecting face, original face. Three of them are always together. You cannot separate them. Wherever original face, wherever reflected face is there, original face must be there. Without original face, reflected face cannot be formed. Reflected face cannot be formed without mirror. Mirror, reflected face and original face. That is why is an avatar. Reflected face is an avatar of original face, isn't it? Original face avataram, original face version, reflected face is the version of original face. Once you want to go to a reception and wear nice pattu sari and wear all jewels, jewels and pattu sari for that purpose only, no? So you wear, okay. A wife wearing all this and calling her husband, enanga or what vango, he comes and taking to the dressing table. பாருங்க நன்னா இருக்கேன்னா கேட்குறான். அங்கே காமிச்சு அந்த மிரரில் she is showing to the mirror, am I fine, nice, காம்பினேஷன் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு, ட்ரெஸ்ஸு காம்பினேஷன், ஆர்னமெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன, க்ரீனுக்கு க்ரீன் போட்டுக்கணும் இல்லையா எல்லாமே. ஸோ someone should give some certificate. Who is the one can give first certificate, best certificate? Husband. She calls her husband and asking, எப்படி இருக்கேன்னு. எங்கே பார்க்குறேன்? கண்ணாடியில். Don't ask me, Swamini, how do you know? Just I am imagining, I am imagining. So he is looking at that, what? Reflection of her, his wife, looking at the reflection and says, excellent, wonderful, so beautiful you are looking. எங்கே பார்க்குறான்? மிரரில். And telling, you are so beautiful. That means what? We take the reflection as the real, original person. Similarly, you show your photographs. Epo 10th standard, 5th standard, and to your neighbor. You see, where am I? And the photograph. Where am I? And the paper sheet. You can't be there, but you are asking her, where am I? Tell me. Where am I? Tell me. She struggled to find out. Now you are Pushinikai. At that time you were Murungakai. Custom. She is struggling to identify, but you are showing that as yours. Even though you are here originally, you are taking it as real. That is you. Adi madri. Here also, Jiva Kutastha also, none of us say, I am Kutastha Chaitanyam, giving reflection to this body-mind complex, got the name Jiva. None of us say. Jiva Kutasthayor Anyonya Adhyasam. Yes, is it correct? Okay. Tade atra api, similarly, Paraha Ishvara Brahmanoho Siddham Krutva. One crucial point we have to note. Mixing up is of two types. Mistaking is of two types. Unknowingly committing mistake, knowingly committing mistake. Unknowingly committing mistake means what? Without knowing, I mistake. I am Jiva, I do not know I am Kutastha. Jnani also knows I am Kutastha, I am not Jiva, but Jnani does Vyavahara as what? Jiva only. I am Kutastha, I am all pervading. If you give this much food, how is it sufficient for me? I am all pervading. And he won't ask. That 2 idli only you have to eat. Deliberately, Jnani knows that he is Kutastha, behaves as Jiva. That is Gauna Pratyaya. What Adhyasa this is? Both of them are doing Adhyasa. But one person is doing Mithyadhyasa. Mithyadhyasa means what? Adhyasa unknowingly, without knowing the truth. Another person doing Gauda, figuratively. சின்ன குழந்தை கூப்பிட்டா சன்ரைஸ் இருக்குன்னு நினைப்பான். தெரியாது, there is no sunrise. Small child or young boy, you ask, sunrise, sunrise, and he takes the sunrise as real. You take sunrise as real. You also talk about sunrise. Isn't it? Sunrise you talk. How you talk? Knowingly, there is no sunrise, but it is only appearance. You talk by knowing. Okay? Knowingly you are talking. But another person, sunrise, not knowing that there is no sunrise, ignorant person talking about sunrise is mithya pratyaya. Adhyasa rupa adhyasa. Adhyasa means what? That adhyasa is ajnana purvaka adhyasa. Mithya rupa adhyasa. But whereas a jnani does, a mature person, when he talks about sunrise, knowingly he is talking about sunrise. Gauda adhyasa. It is also adhyasa, mistaking only, but deliberately. So Vidyaranya says, Sureshwaracharya knowingly, Osi is not Jagat Karanam, he knows that. Since Osi is none other than appearing as RC, RC cannot be separate from OC. Knowingly, just as people commit mistakes, Jiva Kotasthayo Riva, Adhyasam, Atra Api, our Sureshwaracharya, knowingly committing a mistake. Knowingly, when you commit a mistake, is it a mistake? It is not a mistake. நாளைக்கு எப்போ சூரியோதயம் கேட்குறாரு இல்லையா? எப்போ சூரியோதயம்? எப்போ சூரியோதயம்? சூரிய உதயமே இல்லையே, ஆனாலும் கேட்குறோம் deliberately. That is called gauna pratyaya. So adhyasa is of two types. Without knowing this difference, if I talk about their mixing up both of them, jiva and kutastha, it is adhyasa, it is mithya pratyaya. Adhyasa mithya pratyaya. Second mixing up is knowingly I mix up. That is gauna pratyaya. Another example, Shastric example is Shimho Manavakaha. In the payan Singakutti Anna. In the Singhama, knowingly I say this boy is like a lion. Knowingly. Hey, lion Vardana, what do you do? Lion Vardana, lion madri nadande vara. Simha madri, Simha Kutti Anna. This is called Gauna Pratyaya. So Vidyaranya using OC as Jagat Karanam, keeping that in his mind, OC obtaining in the Maya medium as reflected consciousness is the cause for this universe. I hope I am communicating. If you are here only, you can grasp. I am here, Swamini, but I don't hear, and I have to pray to the Lord. Ishvara Brahmano. Ishvara Brahmano Tadeva. Brahma is called OC. Ishvara is called RC. Macro RC, macro OC. Siddham Kritva. That Siddham Kritva is very important. Siddham Kritva means what? Having known that OC can never be the Jagat Karanam. Sureshwaracharya knows that. Don't take Sureshwaracharya as taking OC as Jagat Karanam. Yeah, avarku theriyada enna Brihadaranyatike Vartikam eluditaru. Avarku theriyada. Siddham Kritva enna artham? Knowingly. OC obtaining in Maya medium as RC Ishvara Jagat Karanam Siddham Kritva. Having understood that with Gauna Pratyaya Brute Sureshwaraha. Sureshwaracharya Brute. Sureshwaracharya uses. But don't take it as OC directly as Jagat Karanam. So Acharya mix up, it is called Gauna Anyonya Adhyasa. Just as worldly people do Jiva Kotastha Adhyasa, because of ignorance they do. But here with Sureshwaracharya, out of knowledge, he mix up. Out of knowledge he mix up. Why? There is no RC without OC. Where is Ishvara without Brahman? Where is Ishvara Jagat Karanam without Brahman? Therefore Brahman Jagat Karanam Cholalama Ilya. Whenever we say Jagat Karanam, you have to understand Brahman is Jagat Karanam. But if you don't understand further, I will give Shruti Pramanam. Vidyaranya gives Shruti Pramanam. In the next shloka, we will see. 191. Very, very beautiful, significant shlokas. Satyam Jnanamanantam Yat ब्रह्म तस्मात् समुत्थिताः खं वायुवग्निजलोर्व्योषद्धीम् अग्निजलोर्व्योषद्धि अन्नदेहा इति श्रुतिः. Upanishad itself mixing up. Not Vidyaranya Sureshwaracharya mixing up. Upanishad itself is mixing up. Where Brahmananda Valli Taittiriya Upanishad Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Tasmadva Etasmad Atmana Akashas Sambhutaha. Upanishad is mixing. Whom? Paramarthika Brahma, Vyavaharika Ishvara. Upanishad is mixing. Upanishad is not explaining. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Paramarthikam Osi. Tasmadva Etasmad Atmanaha Akasha Sambhutaha is RC. Enge Chollerika Upanishad. Chollave le. But Upanishad goes like that. That is why Prakarana Grandhas are very important. To understand Upanishads properly, you have to study Prakarana Grandhas. See, in Panchadashi only you can understand this. Even Taittiriya Upanishad, when you study, you cannot understand. Even Bhashyam also. See the point, he just how beautifully classify, shows the difference. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Yat Brahma. Oh, see, Satyam. Satyam means what? Existence. Eternal. Which is eternal. What is Satyam? Trikala Abadhyam Satyam. That which is eternal is called Satyam. You remember Taittiriya Upanishad? Long ago, we have done Taittiriya Upanishad here only. Okay, in Mailapur class itself. Satyam means Trikala Abadhyam Satyam, that which exists all the 3 periods of time. Means Nityam Brahma. Satyam means what? Nityam, eternal, Shashvatam Brahma. Jnanam, consciousness. Chaitanyam. Anantam, Desha Kala Aparichinnam. Ananta means beyond time. Beyond space. Means what? Who is not Karanam. Karya Karana Vilakshanam. Anantam. So Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam indicates Paramarthikam Brahma. Brahman is Karya Karana Vilakshanam means what? Beyond time and space. Another important point here. When you say Karanam, for what? For one Karyam. Very, intellectually, you have to, it is, what you can call it, makes your mind so refined. If you understand this. When I say Karanam, for what? Question comes. Cause. Cause for what? Which effect has come? The effect, some effect has come. One is Karanam, for what and so effect. Pot is Karyam, effect. Clay was Karanam. Karanam, clay, pot is Karyam. Once you say Karana Karya Sambandha, you have to get the corollary here. Karanam is prior to Karyam. Yes? Karanam is always prior to Karyam. Karyam is always later to Karanam. This is the law. If you understand this, Karyam is always later, Karanam is always prior. When I am showing prior, later, Bhuta Kala, Bhavishyat Kala. Or Vartamana Kala. Kala Bheda has come. Karanam always belongs to past. Karyam always belongs to either present or future. Once Kala Bheda comes, when you talk about the Karanam, the Kala comes into being. Isn't it? Kala comes into being. How? Just what I have explained now. Once I say Karanam, Karanam is first, Karyam is next. First to next means what? Munnadi irundadu, later Karyam varadu. And enna artham? Kala you are bringing. Past tense, present tense or future tense. Once the past tense, present, future tense comes, what has come? Time principle has come. Once time comes, Brahman is what? Kala Atitam. Appo Brahman Karanam Aga Mudiyadu. Puriyarada? I have never explained this point in any one of my classes. And the context varanam. Appada solla mudiyum. I am very happy to communicate this. This is a very important idea. How Brahman is Kala Atitam. Ipada Atitam. Shuddham Brahma is never the cause. Pure Brahman is never the cause. Only Maya Sahitam Brahma alone is the cause. So Satyam Jnanam Anantam Yat Brahma, whenever we say, that Brahma is Paramarthika Satyam, that Brahman is not the Karanam. Why? Karanatvam cannot be there in that Brahman. Why? Anantatvat. Anantatvam means what? In which Karanatvam, Karyatvam cannot exist. How can you say so? Because once you say Karanatvam, Karyatvam will come. Once Karyatvam comes, Karanatvam comes, time comes. Therefore, Desha Kala Avadibhyam Nirmuktam. Priyarda? Anantam means Kala Desha Aparichinam. Once Kala is there, when it is born, where it is born. So Desha Aparichinata comes. So Anantam anna enna meaning pathadu? Desha Kala Aparichinatvam. So this Brahman is Paramarthikam or Vyavaharikam? Paramarthikam Brahma. Absolute standpoint. Then immediately, Adevalli after 1, 2, 3 lines, Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi. In the Brahman lande, Paramarthika Brahman lande, etasmad atmanaha akashah sambhuta. See the line here, Tasmat Samuthita. Tasmat means what? From that Brahman. Yat Brahma Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Tasmat. From that Brahman. If you say from that Brahman is really Karanam, you cannot say Anantam. Priyarada? If you say Anantam, you cannot say Karanam. Venna Pandapured. Angeda Purinjakano. Maya Sahitam Brahma. Etasmad Akasha Vayu Agni Apaha Pradhevi. Akashad Vayuhu Vayor Agnihi Agnerapaha Adbhyah Prithivi Prithivya Oshadhayaha Oshadhibhyonnam. All Acharya puts in one line. Kham Akashaha Vayu air, Agni, fire, Jala, waters, Urvi, earth. How you split? You see, Jalor Vyoshadhi, Oshadhyanna irke. Jala, Urvi, Oshadhi, Anna, Deha. Urvi means earth, Jala means waters. So up to Urvi 5 elements. Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Urvi. Over. Then what comes from Prithvi? Oshadhi comes. That is called Oshadhi. From Oshadhi what comes? Annam. ஓஷதீப்யோன்னம். அந்த மந்திரம் எப்படி போட்டாரு பாருங்க. சீதகி ஜீனியஸ். அந்த மந்திரம் அப்படியே கொண்டு வந்து அவருடைய லாங்குவேஜில் அந்த மீட்டருக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி போட்டுட்டார். யூ ஹாவ் டு சர்ச் வேர் இஸ் உர்வி என்ன. ஓஷதி ஓஷதி ஓஷதி, யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ட்ரீஸ், பிளான்ட் கிங்டம். அன்னம், ஃபுட். ஃப்ரம் ஃபுட் ஹூ கேம்? புருஷா, தேஹா. தேர் புருஷா, ஹியர் தேஹா. கிளியர்? ஓகே. இது ஸ்ருதி. தைத்திரியோபனிஷத் பிரம்மானந்தவல்லி. தஸ்மாத்வா ஏதஸ்மாத் ஆத்மனா ஆகாஷ சம்பூதः கம் வாயு அக்னி ஜல உர்வி ஓஷதி அன்ன தேஹः இதி ஸ்ருதி. So Upanishad also mixing up. Not Sureshwaracharya only committing mistake. Deliberately Sureshwaracharya mixing up. Because Upanishad mixed, therefore Sureshwaracharya is also mixing up. இந்த தைத்திரியத்துக்கே அவர் வார்த்தைக்கும் எழுதிட்டார். ஸோ சின்ஸ் உபனிஷத்து மிக்ஸ் அப் பண்ணி அனதர் வள்ளி என்ன பரவாயில்ல, அதே வள்ளி ஈவன் நாட் மச் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ வெரி க்ளோஸ்லி உபனிஷத் கோஸ் லைக் தட். தட்ஸ் வை வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் உபனிஷத்ஸ். யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் நவ்? சத்யம் ஞானம் அனந்தம் பிரம்மா cannot be the jagat karanam OC. Therefore that Brahman who is OC, obtaining in Maya medium, becoming Ishvara, having becoming Ishvara, afterwards Jagat Karanam Bhavati. Correct ah irukku illiyo? Ipo enna problem? Okay, next shloka. Apata drishtitastatra brahmano bhati hetuta हेतोश्चे सत्यता तस्मात् अन्योन्याध्यासयिष्यते. अत्र तत्र अत्र इल्ल तत्र तत्र means kutra. In that Taittiriyopanishad, whatever is presented or is Sureshwaracharya presented, OC as Jagat Karanam. Atmanaha Akasha Sambhutaha Upanishad says. Once you say Atma, pure Atma, Shuddha Atma can never be the cause of anything. If it is the cause of anything, Arambhavada comes, Parinamavada comes. What Vada is our Vada? Ajati Vada. न निरोधो न चोत्पत्ति न बद्धो न च साधकः न मुमुक्षुः न वै मुक्तः न गुरु न शिष्य. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வெளியில் போகாதுங்க. தத்ர ஆபாத திருஷ்டிதः. ஆபாத திருஷ்டிதः means if you see these two statements. What two statements? सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म तस्माद्वा एतस्माद् आत्मनः आकाश संभूतः. If you see them superficially, outward and artham. आपाततः means மேல 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 பார்த்தேன், சரியா படிக்காமலே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் மேல மேல. அப்படி எக்ஸாம் சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட் போகும்போது அப்படி மேல மேல படிச்சு போவான். மேல மேல படித்தா மேல மேல தான் வரும் மார்க்கு கூட, இல்லையா? So deeply if you study only you understand. Apatataha param brahma brahmanaha bhati hetuta. It appears Brahman is the cause of this universe. Hetuta means karanatvam. Bhati appears. Karanatvam appears upon whom? Brahmanaha. तस्माद्वा सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म तस्माद्वा एतस्माद् आत्मना आकाश संभूत चुन्न. as though it is karanatvam to Brahman superimposed. अन्योन्य अध्यास अर्थम. अन्योन्य अध्यास इष्यते. apata drishtitah. If you do see only outer, peripheral level, it looks as what Brahman is the Jagat Karanam. In Brahma Sutra also, Vyasacharya says that only. That Brahman is the Jagat Karanam, Jagat Yonihi, Janmadyasya Yataha, Athato Brahma Jignasa. May you inquire into Brahman. Which Brahman? Janmadyasya Yataha, from which the entire creation has come. அப்போ என்ன வியாசாச்சாரிய கூட சேர்த்தணும் இதில் இல்லையா? வியாசாச்சாரிய ஆல்சோ he left வியாசாச்சாரிய. We have to take ஜன்மாத்யஸ்ய யதஹ, from whom ஜன்மா has come. ஜன்மா ஆவது கின்மா ஆவது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது பிரம்மன்ல. சுத்த பிரம்மம் ஆபத்ததையா இட் திருஷ்டிதா ஹேதுதா. So what you did, you brought the akaranam Brahma into karanam status. கீழே கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். அப்படியே என்ன மாயா தாயி அப்படியே கீழே இறங்கி வச்சாச்சு பிரம்மன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹேதோஷ்ச சத்யதா, டேக்கிங் தட் காரணத்துவம் ஆஸ் ரியல். பிரம்மன் இஸ் ஜெகத் காரணம் சொன்ன உடனே ஆமா பிரம்மன் இஸ் ஜெகத் காரணம். That means once you say Brahman is Jagat Karanam, you brought down Brahman into Vyavaharikam. And the Hetutvam, if you superimpose upon Brahman, Apata Drishtitaha, and the Satyata, Hetoscha Satyata. Once that Karanatvam you are taking as what? Real. Brahman is what? Akaranam. Akaranam ani solren. ஒரு பக்கம் காரணம் சொல்றேன். என்னதா புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது என்ன? ஆமா, அவர் பிரம்மன் இஸ் காரணம் ஆல்சோ, அகாரணம் ஆல்சோ. காரணம் அகாரணம். இது என்ன? ஹேத்து மீன்ஸ் காரணம். சத்யதா மீன்ஸ் கிவிங் ரியாலிட்டி. Giving reality to the causal status of Brahman, which Brahman can never be the cause. If he come to the causal level, Anantam has to be deleted. அனந்தம் விடமாட்டார் அவர் பிரம்மன். நான் விடமாட்டேன் அனந்தம். அப்ப எப்படி எப்ப காரணம் என்ன? அந்த மாயா அம்மன் வச்சுக்கோங்க. மாயாதேவி will take care of that. Who is that? Ishvara. So Paramarthikam Brahma can never be the Karanam. Vyavaharika Ishvara means, or Vyavaharikam Brahma. Who is Vyavaharikam Brahma? Ishvara. Vyavaharikam Brahma is Ishvara. Paramarthika Ishvara is Akaranam Brahma. Vyavaharika Brahma is Ishvara. Paramarthika Ishvara is Akaranam Brahma. Very good. Hetoscha Satyata Tasmat Anyonya Adhyasaha Ishyate. This is called mutual superimposition. எப்படி இந்த ரஜ்ஜு சர்ப்பா, snake you say, you brought the rope to the snake status. Snake is pratibhasika satyam, rope is vyavaharika satyam. And the vyavaharika rope ni pratibhasika sarpama maatitom. Pratibhasikamana sarpathai ayyo பாம்பு vyavaharika satyama maatitom. ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள், Vyavaharika rope we brought down to Pratibhasika Sarpa. Pratibhasika Sarpa we have taken into Vyavaharika, which belongs to Rajju actually. Rajju is Vyavaharikam, Sarpa is Pratibhasikam, but Rajju we brought down to Pratibhasikam. And Sarpa, what we have given? Vyavaharika reality. அதுக்கு தான் பாம்புன்னு பயப்படுறாள் இல்லையா? அது மாதிரி என்ன புரியறதோ சுவாமினி? பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம் வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம் அப்படி ததைவா. பாரமார்த்திக பிரம்மனையுமோ வியாவகாரிகமா கீழே கொண்டு வந்து வியாவகாரிக ஈஸ்வரனையுமோ பாரமார்த்திகத்தை கூட்டிட்டு போனோம். ஏதே அந்த காரணத்துவம். பிரம்மன்ல பாம்பு காரணத்துவமே இல்லை. அவர் காரணத்துவம் கொடுத்துட்டு கீழே கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம். இந்த ஈஸ்வரனேமோ அவர் who is வியாவகாரிகம், we have taken to பாரமார்த்திகம். சத்யதா ఇప్పుడు ఈశ్వరుని సత్యమా இல்லையா? சிவராத்திரி நேற்று கூட கிளாஸுக்கு தூங்கிண்டே இருக்கா பீப்புள். ஏன்னா சிவராத்திரி நைட்டெல்லாம் இல்லாமல் சிவோகம் சிவோகம் ஒரே ஒன்று சொல்லி சொல்லி டயர்ட் ஆஃப் அண்ணா. ஏன்னா சத்தியம், ஒரே சத்தியமோ சத்தியம் அண்ணா. ஈஸ்வரன் சத்தியத்துவம் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஈஸ்வரன் வியாபகாரிக சத்தியம், we have made it as பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம். இல்லை நிறைய திங்க் பண்ணணும். பாருங்க, look into the words. ஆபாத திருஷ்டிதா தத்ர பிரம்மணோ பாதி ஹேதுதா ஹேதோச்ச சத்யதா தஸ்மாத் அந்யோன்ய அத்தியாசா இஷ்யதே. திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அந்யோன்ய அத்தியாசா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. பீப்புள் ஆர் கமிட்டிங் மிஸ்டேக். அந்யோன்யாத்யாச ரூபோசௌ अन्नलिप्तपटो यथा घट्टितेनैकतामेति तद्वद्भ्रान्त्यैकतां गतः. He gives two examples. 193 one example, 194 another example. He gives a terse subject. He knows students are going out of track. Udane you want to bring them to track. To bring them to track is only one solution. Example. Ghattita pataha, dhauta pataha, lanchita pataha. ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்? எங்கேயோ கேட்டு மாதிரி இருக்கே இப்போ. చిత్రద్ దీపం ప్రకరణంలో పట దృష్టాంత చిత్ర దృష్టాంత చిత్రపట. The చిత్రపట pure cloth you bring first. Then to paint on it, pure cloth you cannot paint it. You have to put into starch. Ghattita pataha. After putting starch, you see starch separately, pata separately. Dhauta pata, ghattita pata, both are together. Starched cloth and cloth both are together. You take as one. Similarly here also in the example eppadi pandradu ghattita. So dhauta pataha is Brahman, ghattita pata is Ishvara. Then outline, first outline he has to give. Anai draw பண்ணணும் outline. இன்னும் ட்ரா பண்ணல ஃபுல்லாக. அவுட்லைன் பண்ண உடனே யானை என்று சொல்கிறோமா இல்லையோ? கேமல், ஹவு டு யூ நோன்னா? அதுவும் அவுட்லைன் பார்த்தாலே கேமல் தெரியும். அது மாதிரி ஹிரண்ய கர்ப்பா இஸ் அவுட்லைன். தென் பூரித பட்டஹா. ஒன்ஸ் யூ பெயிண்ட் எவ்ரி திங் அண்ட் புட் காலம், லாட் ஆஃப் கலர்ஸ் யூ புட் பூரித பட்டஹா. தட் இஸ் வாட் விராட். You remember this example? Last class Kashta Swami. Very interesting example. Dhautapataha, Brahman. Brahman is like Dhautapataha. Ishvara is like Ghattitapataha. Ready for painting and ardham. Ishwaran ready for Jagat Karanam. So Ghattitapataha is ready for painting Ishvara. Lanchitapataha, outline only given. Lanchita pataha means like Hiranyagarbha. Then Hiranyagarbha, later whole creation has come. Virat. So, Dhautapata, Ghattitapata, Lanchitapata, Puritapata. Once the pata is Ghattitam, means starched, Anyonya Adhyasa. Starched cloth. You see it is painting canvas. Painting canvas. Anyonya adhyasa rupaha asau. Annalipta pataha. Annalipta and the ganji. Rice ganji starch. Annalipta pataha means ghattita pataha. That cloth which is starched in the rice liquid. Annalipta. Ghat pataha yatha. Ghattitena ekatameti. That pata becomes one with the starch. Can you separate the starch and pata? Before you are keeping separate. Once you have dipped it, try. Meet போய் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. இந்த ஸ்டார்ச் இந்த பட்டத்துல இருந்து, பட்டா means what? Cloth. From the cloth you may separate that starch from the cloth or cloth from the starch. முடியவே முடியாத காரியம். That's why you cannot separate Maya from Brahman. ஈஸ்வரா இஸ் கட்டித பட்டா. இப்போ புரியுறதா? ஸ்டார்ச் செப்பரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. அவருக்கு எப்படி இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் வருதுன்னு, ஸ்டார்ச்சி க்ளோத்ஸ் என்றால் அதுதான் ஜீனியஸ். நோ கட்டிதேன ஏகதாமேதி. இட் appears as one. It appears as one. Tadvat bhrantya ekatam gataha. Tadvat, similarly, this Ishvara, Brahman also, bhrantya, because of bhranti, because of ignorance. Brahman and Ishvara both are one and the same. One is Paramarthika Satyam, Akaranam Brahma. Another is Vyavaharika Satyam, Karanam Brahma. Akaranam Brahma is what Satyam? Paramarthika Satyam. Karanam Brahma is what Satyam? Vyavaharika Satyam. Karanam Brahma ki another name is what? Ishvara. Innu Saddama varli Ishvara. Karanam Brahma is Ishvara. Another example he gives. Meghakasha mahakashau vivicchetena pamaraihi tadvad brahmeshayoraikyam pasyantyapatadarshinaha. Now he comes to the Chit Chaturvidya, Mehakasha, Ghatakasha. Ghatakasha வந்து கூட்டஸ்த ஜீவ வெஷ்டி லெவல். சமஷ்டி லெவல் about Mahakasha, Meghakasha. Meghakasha means what? That Akasha which is in the water bearing clouds. Meghakasha Mahakashau. Mahakasha in Meghakasha is in Mahakasha. Can you separate Meghakasha from Mahakasha? You cannot. So Meghakasha Mahakashau Pamaraihi ete Pamaraihi na vivichyate. Pamaraihi means non-Panchadashi students. என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Pamaraihi means non-Panchadashi student, non-Vedantic students, non-Gita students, non-Upanishadic students, non-Brahma Sutra students. Non Tamil non illa. English non, N-O-N non. Those Pamarai, they are called Pamaras. Now you understand who are Pamaras? Out of this hall, who are all there? They are Pamara. Na vivichyate. They do not separate them distinctly. They cannot see them distinctly. Whom? Meghakasha Mahakashau. And Meghakasha is a Akasha reflection of Mahakasha. Total space alone is reflecting in that water which it is in the Megha, cloud. Clear? Total space alone is reflecting in the cloud waters. So, wherever Meghakasha reflecting space is there in that water, in Megha, there total space is there or not? It's there. Therefore, whenever you talk Ishvara, he is there Brahman or not? Vyavaharika Ishvaran sollum bode, Abhishekam pandam bode, Athatmanam Shivatmanam Sri Rudra Rupam Dhyayet. Who is he? Ishvara. Vyavaharika Ishvara. Vyavaharika Ishvara is like what Akasha? Meghakasha. Brahman is like what? Mahakasha. Athatmanam Shivatmanam sollum bode, Brahman irkara illaya? Irka. Eppadi? Vyavaharika Ishvara is there. Linga Rupena, Shiva Rupena. ఎంగింగి శివరూపేణ వా విష్ణురూపేణ వా వ్యావహారిక ఈశ్వరः భవతి తత్ర పారమార్థిక బ్రహ్మం భవతి వా నవా భవతి ఏవ. దట్స్ 100 మార్క్స్. పూర్ణమదః పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి.